GoPro Hero 10, a nighttime low-level shot. We're shooting at 4K 24 linear plus horizon with the ISO maximum 3200. It's never good to raise it as high as 6400 or using 12,800 on the Action 3. Just for your curiosity, this is 6400. I got a shortcut set up that I'm going to set it to auto. And one of the things I would love to see is the shortcut say exactly what you're on in the ISO. If that is the ISO with the circle and, 6400, auto, or so forth. We're just riding. We're going to go get some propane and gasoline, give you an idea and sample shots of the Hero 11. A GoPro is a never-ending story of hearing people saying, oh, the 9 was better than the 10's better than the 9, the 11's better than the 10, the 10 is better than the 9. Well, low light on the GoPro is just as good as any other GoPro imaginable. Is it? Can light trails be done in the distance over here? Today's fun was, I had a little trouble reading what I did. I did light painting and not vehicle lighting, and that's a big difference in getting a time lapse out, but it sure looked good with what I did in a short period of time at a light at a area that I just did a couple of circles. I hope you enjoy this video samples of the GoPro Hero 11, and I see you on many more.